Here's how to install QuarkXPress 2026 on Windows OS. First, you need to activate a trial or purchase a license. Go to quark.com. Next, go to the menu at the top and go to Support. And then QuarkXPress Installers. Click on the QuarkXPress 2026 Windows OS installer. The installer will then download automatically. Don't forget to check your browser notification to see when the download is finished. It will then appear in your Downloads folder. Just double-click on Open File. Here's the important part. Go to Extract All to extract the file's contents. Next, open the extracted folder and double-click on the setup.exe file. It will then open the installation wizard. Click Next once the installer is launched. Enter your username and click Next. Then click Next to install QuarkXPress. Click Next and then click Install. It will start installing and copying the files for QuarkXPress 2026. Click on Finish and then launch QuarkXPress. Choose the product configuration as QuarkXPress. Click on Continue. Make sure your system is connected to the internet. Enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password. Then enter your email here and click Submit. Check your inbox and junk folders for your password reset link. Read the license agreement and then click Agree. Once you have entered your username and password, you can get designing in QuarkXPress 2026.